Oil, I am watching this price structure very carefully, because if we go back to the previous OPEC meeting, which occurred at the end of September, this was where we consolidated into this pennant formation, ultimately breaking out from that level, following through over 10% and breaking back up to $52 per barrel. Now, over the last week and a half, we have seen a pop to the upside. We've come back to the $48 per barrel zone. We're consolidating at the moment. I don't expect big volumes today for oil. We're probably going to stay quite tight in terms of the overall range from highs to lows over the Thanksgiving today, and tomorrow possibly volumes will be fairly shallow as well. And then next week, especially going into Wednesday's OPEC meeting, that is what I'm looking for some good trading opportunities to take advantage of whatever the result will be off the back of that. Oil is certainly static at the moment on uncertainty about a planned production cut. Now, OPEC nations, they're meeting on November the 30th, that's Wednesday, to finalize a pact on freezing oil prices. So this could certainly be a catalyst. Expect volatility prior to that, but we'll be looking to get on the back of the trading opportunity which results from that announcement. Now, today, due to the fact that it is Thanksgiving, the agricultural markets are closed at the moment, so there's not much additional analysis to do on those markets right now. I would continue to watch the metals here. So gold and silver, I'd like to see where they are going to start to find their legs a bit after the recent corrective moves, whether we'll see more pressure to the upside with the US dollar, which will cause more of a flash out with the metals, or whether we'll start to see some sort of support here as we go into December. Non-farm payrolls next week will certainly likely be a catalyst also for some big moves on the metals. OPEC next Wednesday. So we've got a lot happening as we go into December. The FOMC statement as well in mid-December, which will provide trading opportunities. So for now, right now, that is what I would be looking at, especially on oil. We're getting this nice little pennant formation actually on a tighter time frame. So you can see here where we're just building, which is very typical before major news items. So we'll see how this price structure develops as we go into next week's OPEC meeting, getting tighter and tighter, smaller volumes at the moment. Not too much to be done here on oil just today.